I need to gear down because I'm going down the hill, and although it would make pretty cool viewing, me driving into the pond. Whew. We're gonna do some mowing today. I want to go down to the pond, do some fishing, and I don't like walking in the grass with all the ticks and everything, so I got to mow that down. At the same time, our deer need to have a grassy field to feed in, so I like to do a little bit of mowing every now and then. This is our mower hooked up to old Big Blue. Y'all familiar with him? This is a double bladed mower, 96 inches wide. It's beefy as heck. It'll cut down big trees, but it's a mowing machine. Dual blades. There's one gearbox that goes to a blade. Another gearbox that goes to a blade goes through the center gearbox. So these are the shock couplers. They're pretty stout, but I've broken them several times. So I used to put the cover on. It's a total pain to get off, so I just leave the cover off. When I break a coupler, I'll just fix it. Let's engage the PTO. Blades are now spinning. Nice thing about this mower on this tractor, you can mow at a pretty good clip. Mowing about 6.6 miles an hour, which is actually quite fast. Nice thing about 100 horsepower tractors, you can be going through 2-foot stuff. It ain't gonna care. It's just gonna take it out. And you can see all this debris here at the tree line. I use this sawdust as a mulch near the tree line. So I take it and put it there, and that keeps me from having to mow too close to the trees. It gives me a buffer. Works really good. I might need to use 2 hands here. I don't want to run into this big walnut tree with my mower. There we go. Got it. Let's mow through this tall grass right here. Ditch is looking pretty good. Need to take a little bit more off that high side though, I think. I don't know. A few of our fields. We've got a pretty place here. Let me tell you what, there is some rocks in the ground, so anytime, let me hit this thistle. This is bad. It spreads everywhere. Got it. But pretty much every time you do any dirt work out here, you're gonna kick rocks up. So I need to gear down because I'm going down the hill, and although it would make pretty cool viewing, me driving into the pond kind of sucked. 3rd gear. There we go. Now we got some control. Another big old rock. It's a pretty pond, isn't it? Don't want to go off the edge. It's fairly deep. It's about 18 feet. Got a little bit of algae buildup here. Normally I'll take care of that, but The baby brim love to get in it, and it protects them from the bass, gives them a fighting chance to actually survive. I got to do some work here. That chair right there was tossed up here as a play toy with our bull, Booger. He's a big dog. He liked beating on our lawn furniture. He took that one out and just munched it to nothing. He was a big bull. We sold our cows and our cattle a couple years ago when the market dropped. Actually, after the market drop came back up, there's a brown hog bull I'm going to take care of. Not today, but it's got to be something to take care of. And y'all gonna like me making a video of mowing that hill. I don't know how steep it looks like on camera, but it's steep. Yeah, a little too much moss in the old pond. We might take care of that. Slow on this dam. It's not real wide. Well, we've got a new toy coming, hopefully in a few weeks. So we've got to make some changes to our storage facility. I'm not going to tell you what the new toy is, but you guys know I like buying a lot of equipment. So we've emptied it out, and we are going to cut a hole for our fan. We got to get some air circulation in here. So this ought to be fun. It either ought to go real well, or I'm going to fall down and we all get to go to the hospital, and that ought to make a pretty good video. So I hope that doesn't happen. So here's my supervising crew. We got Lucy. We got Chip, who does not look like he wants to be in here. And we have Martha. Hey, Martha.
Hey.
I'm not sure if she wants to be in here. Lucy is. They're all wondering, what in the heck are we fixing to do?
Come on, let's go to the bed.
That ain't gonna work, really?
No.
All right. I can see Russia from here. Kidding me?
That's good.
Well, that's not supposed to happen.
Sit. Sit. You're not sitting.
Hey, good job, Mark. Yay! Good job, Chip. Let's see him try that on the the Magnolia channel. And you may even be asking why we mounted the fan so low. There is a reason for it. I'm not going to tell you though. I'm pretty excited. Oh, dang gum, Lucy. You jealous? Lucy's whacking on over. All right, turn this off. Let me put these tools up. Thanks for visiting our sawmill. Click on the links above to see more of our videos.